Hey, are you thinking about what is meditation, how to do meditation, how the meditation helps us, and how to do meditation consistently, and what is the right time to do meditation?
If you are thinking these type of question, then you have come into the right video.
Hey everyone, my name is Zakaria Ilyas Ahmad. In this video, I am going to share these all topics. So let's get into it. Basically, meditation is nothing but just focusing on breathing. Like you have to sit here and you have to take a deep breath. Like most of us all know this is meditation, but we don't know what is the proper way to do or proper uh, time to do. When is the right time to do? So I'm going to share topic wise. First, we'll see what is meditation. Meditation is nothing but sitting and focusing on a particular thought or breathing exercise or parts of your bodies, etc., etc. So what can this meditation helps us? Meditation helps us reduce our stress or anxiety, or it helps us to breathe deeply or breathe in a proper way, and much more. This meditation has very much benefit, and if you try this you will see the result in yourself. So uh, how to do meditation? Most of us ask how to do meditation. Just you have to sit like in cross leg. You can sit in down, all also you can sit in a chair. You have to sit and you have to make your, not like this, you have to make your bones straight, spinal cord you have to make it straight, or you can lean a wall or you can lean a chair, and you have to close your eyes. Keep this palm facing upwards towards your knee and keep cross legs. Just close your eyes, then take a deep breath in and then take a deep breath out. Make this 3 times when you are starting meditation, and then you have to take a deep breath, then you have to take a deep breathe out. Then uh, what I can tell is you have to breathe like you are breathing regularly. Just do it, if you are beginner, just do it for 5 minutes. Daily you have to do 5 minutes. But what is the right time to do that meditation? Let's I'll tell you some way. If you start meditating between 5 a.m. and 7 a.m., that will be the best time to you. Now I'm not saying that you can't do in other times, but this is the best time because you can see the moisture or you can see the sound of birds, and there is no like distractions, vehicle sounds, nothing. There will be nothing, and you can just focus on your meditation. That will be the right time. If you wake up early, that is the best time, between 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. And lot of people have tried doing meditation, but they lack focus, or they they feel like laziness to do meditation. Most of us will feel urgent because we will not get any benefit from 3 or 4 days. We'll do twice or thrice in a week, then we'll feel like nothing will get we will get from that. 5 minutes, what we can do, we can just go through social media or interact with many people. But this meditation, if you try doing every day between 5 a.m. to 7 a.m., I'm not telling this is this is the time you can only do, but this is a perfect time. If you do this, that will be right for you. Just focus on meditation. But most of us will feel laziness. there is two solution for that. You have to fix a right time between 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. Like I will do meditation every day no matter what at 5 a.m. or 5:30 a.m. or 6 a.m. or 6:30 a.m. You have to fix particular time. You can't tell I will do one day I will do at 5 a.m. If I get up at 6, I'll do at 6:30. You can't tell like that. You have to fix a particular time and you have to do that in that time only. You can't give excuse that I'll read some books or I have to go through social media. You can't give like example for that. You have to fix a particular time, and the next step is you have to make to-do list every day. You have to, when you wake up, you have to take a list of paper and you have to write down things that it is important to do in that particular day, like starting from drinking water while you wake up and then meditation and then the list goes on. That is the best solution to make meditation regularly. So I hope you will try this meditation practice every day, and if this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe my channel, like this video, share to your friend or your family members who can boost their breathing or who can reduce their stress or anxiety. This video might help them. So leave a comment below that I will do meditation every single day, no matter what it is. It might give you some confidence to do it.